Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'd like to thank Syncwire for sending this product out to me. Appreciate it. So this is the Syncwire mini car charger. So this is a USB-C one, and it looks like it has a normal USB as well for the old style one. It is 60 watts, I believe. It's got power delivery and quick charge 3.0. So let's have a look inside. On the back actually. So the packaging is quite nice already. It's a white and blue theme, as you can see. So the sides are blue, nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom, and you got the information on the back. So input 12 volts, 3 amps max. Okay, so what we're interested in is the output. So USB A is your normal USB, you know, the big style USBs. So that can output at 5 volts at 4.5 amps, which is quite high. 9 volts at 3 amps, 12 volts at 2.5 amps. Okay, USB-C. What is that? There you go. So USB-C output, you can do 5 volts at 2.4 amps, 9 volts at 3 amps, 12 volts at 2.5 amps, and 15 volts at 2 amps. Also 20 volts at 1.5 amps. So you've got quite a lot of options there. Shared output is 5 volts at 4.8 amps, and they give you a cable, I believe, a USB-C to USB-C, which is nice of them. So it's been designed with power delivery 3.0 USB-C port and a quick charge 3.0 USB port. So single port enable fast charging up to 30 watts. If charge laptops, make sure that, okay. Alright, let's go ahead and have a look inside. So this cost, was it £16? Oh, 14.99, so £15, which is not bad for what it is. Alright, so I'm gonna have to take this label off. Let's hope I can pull it off with one hand. Dude, come on, almost there, guys. There you go. Oh, alright, got the user manual. You don't really need a user manual, to be honest, for what it is. Then you got your warranty in there, which will tell you what you need for the warranty. Oh, so the actual USB port is very small, which is actually a good, because it means it won't be protruding too much, which is very good. Alright, so you got the normal USB port there, like I said, but this one's a quick charger one, and that's a power delivery USB-C port. So yeah, this is a nice premium quality, I like it. You got the branding there, very beautiful actually. Well, yeah, that's not bad. But yeah, this is, wow, look what they've done to this wire. It reminds me of those old Nokia style cables, the phone cables, charger cables, you know what I mean. Very nice what they've done here. I like that, I like that. So you got the USB-C to USB-C, that's for your very fast charging. All the newer phones will support that. So yeah, look at that. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, it's very high quality. The cable is very high quality as well. You got braided, very braided and nicely done. Ah, there you go. Yeah, I'm really happy with that, can't lie. What would I say? I'd give this a probably out of 10, probably a 10 out of 10, close to 10 out of 10. We'll have to test it out and find out first. So yeah, look how nice it looks. Wow, I'm very impressed. So yeah, thank you again Syncwire for sending this product out to me, appreciate it. Don't see any lights on here. Maybe it lights up or not, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it does. So the inside, these two ports light up. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So at night you should be able to easily plug stuff in without needing a light or anything. So yeah, really high quality. I'm really proud. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.